chips and beans. Okay, so now you know that vegans do snack. So I picked up some Simple Nature, a simple choice, black bean corn tortilla chips.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
And the dip of choice is tribe Mediterranean style hummus. A little oily, but it's delicious. They look just like they're supposed to. You kind of a nice glop of this hummus on. These chips have salt in them, but you have a nice taste. So these chips are gluten-free and non-GMO. Really important. They say here they're made with whole grain corn and black beans. Now tip, if you don't like black beans, this isn't going to work. But I just adore black beans. Maybe adore is too big of a word. I like him very much. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.